it always depends on the client, you know, on what they want. I mean, sometimes sometimes the consultation process is longer, you know, to really fine tune what they're looking for and get it all kind of rounded, with a lot of kind of detailed intricacies. And sometimes it's kind of straightforward. They just love something right off the bat. I mean, it's different all the time. And then the way we do our renderings or style boards or what we need to present is also dependent on, you know, what they would like to see. So it's all kind of, I really like personalizing everything to the client. I'm big, as you can hear, I love getting a sense of how they like to work. I like to kind of, you know, I'm flexible usually with some of those nuances.